Most fitness coaches hit a ceiling. They work more hours just to make more money, and eventually burnout hits. If your business stops growing when you hit 10 to 20 clients, it's because you're in the wrong model. There's a better way, a way to scale without working long days and without needing hundreds of thousands of followers. That's why in this video, I'm gonna break down the most scalable fitness coaching business model in 2025 and show you exactly how you can set it up in less than a week. Why most business models don't scale. Let's talk about the real reason why most fitness coaches can't break past $10,000 to $20,000 a month. They rely on one of these broken models. Either one, it's one-to-one personal training online, meaning clients pay per session, which means you can only make money by working more hours. Two is one-off coaching packages. If you sell a 12-week plan for $1,500 every month and you don't retain the clients, you have to restart from zero every single time. Three is cheap monthly coaching. You know, those $97 low ticket coaching programs that require 100 clients to make real money, which means insane customer service, tons of churn and stress. None of these models can scale properly if you want to hit $30,000 or $50,000 or even $100,000 per month. You need a business model that is scalable, meaning more clients shouldn't mean more hours. You need it to be profitable, meaning you should be able to hit high revenue numbers with fewer clients, and it should be sustainable. You should have recurring revenue coming in so your income doesn't reset every month. That's why the best business model in 2025 is a hybrid coaching model. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I'm going to prove to you that it's not in the next few minutes of this video. The hybrid coaching model is how top fitness coaches hit $30,000 to $50,000 a month without all the burnout, cold DMs, and tons of content. It's a mix of high ticket coaching, meaning $3,000 to $10,000 clients, working with fewer clients, higher income, but scalable group coaching. Instead of one-to-one coaching, you're able to coach 10 to 50 people all at once while still delivering results. Your low ticket mentorship would be $97 to $297. This keeps your clients engaged long-term so your revenue is stable. New clients start in your high ticket coaching program for 8 to 12 weeks for $2,000 to $3,000. After that, they transition to an ongoing one-to-one mentorship for a year, which would be packaged at $5,000 to $8,000. What you're gonna do is provide weekly group coaching calls, personalized check-ins from your assistant coach, and this scales fast. It keeps long-term recurring revenue and lets you earn more while working less and not even coaching your clients. The 3-step blueprint to setting this up is step 1, you need to build a high ticket program. Easiest way to scale is by charging more per client. If you charge $500 a month, you need 60 clients to hit $30,000 per month. If you charge $5K per client, you only need 6 clients per month. What should be inside of your program? Custom nutrition and training programs, and it should be templated but still tailored. Weekly coaching calls, group-based but with personal feedback, direct messaging support handled by your assistant coach, accountability tracking used with automation in Google Sheets, and Trainerize, which is an application where you can coach and manage your clients. How you price it is if you're a brand new client, you start them at $2,000 to $3,000 for 12 weeks. If you have a strong personal brand, charge $5,000 to $10K. If you're unsure, ask yourself, would a client pay $1,000 a month for my coaching? If yes, $3K for 12 weeks is easy to sell. If no, well, you gotta up your game, pal. Go watch my other videos and start from there. Step 2 is scale your group coaching, the one-to-many model. Once your high ticket program is working, the next step is leveraging group coaching in your back-end offer. Instead of coaching 20 clients one-on-one, you put them into a structured group coaching program. You have weekly live Q&A calls where they all ask questions all at once. Provide individual feedback through your check-in forms. And the reason this works is because A, your clients get better results, but you save hours per week. Instead of working 20 plus hours on check-ins and Trainerize, you spend 2 to 3 hours total. Finally, you create a strong community where clients support each other and don't want to leave because they feel like they're a family. If you want to keep the engagement high, I'm going to give you an example schedule of what to do. Mondays, for example, could be weekly coaching call with a live Q&A. Wednesday could be training adjustments or protocols for nutrition. Could even be pre-recorded videos. And then Fridays can be mindset coaching and accountability. How much can you charge? You can charge $500 a month for a premium group coaching model. And once again, if they're current customers that are paying you again, it should be double the price of what you charge for the initial 3 months. Which brings me to step 3, your back-end offer. Once clients finish your high ticket offer, you need a system to ascend them into a 12-month long program, whether that's monthly recurring or they pay you up front. So ultimately, you need a system that not only gets new customers, but keeps your customers longer. Otherwise, you're gonna keep chasing clients. Every month is gonna be like starting new. So you wanna have a back-end mastermind that not only gets them better results, but also allows for you to keep customers longer. The reason why this works is because you stop restarting every single month. You now have recurring revenue coming in without getting new customers. Your clients stay for 6 to 12 months, your income stays stable. And instead of you always chasing new clients, you focus shifts to keeping the best ones longer. So let's just do the math real quick. If you just close 4 high ticket clients per month at $5K each, that's $20,000 per month. If you have 50 clients in a 197 membership, that's $9.8 thousand per month. If you upsell 5 clients to one-to-one upgrades, that's $2.5K per month. Your total revenue will be $32,000 and $300 with only 4 to 5 hours of coaching per week. This is exactly how the top online fitness coaches are scaling. See, most fitness coaches get stuck because they're using business models that don't scale. But when you shift to a hybrid coaching model with a back-end offer, you can make more, work less, and actually enjoy coaching again. And if you want to skip through the trial and error and start scaling right now, I've got something that'll change the game for you. Just click the link in the description or comment the word scale or message me on Instagram the word scale, and I'll send you my full business plan for scaling your coaching business past $30,000 per month completely for free. Make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns on growing your fitness business. Hit that like button and drop a comment about what you're struggling with right now. And who knows, I might break it down in my next video. Till next time, I'm Eric Anthony Klima, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.